everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, then I want to tell you that my name is Sheetal, and in my channel you will find some fashion content, makeup looks and vlogs too. So please like, share and subscribe. And in today's video I am going to do a little glow up makeup, so you can definitely try it if you will like it. And without getting any further ado, let's start the video.